In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Miro board which no one can see. This is a simple privacy setting you can adjust on any board, and it is useful when you are working on a draft, saving personal notes, or preparing something before you share it with a team. The goal is to make sure that nobody can open the board through a link and that access stays private unless you choose to invite someone later. Start by opening your Miro dashboard. This is the main home area where you can see your recent boards and the spaces you have access to. Take a moment to confirm you are signed into the correct account and workspace, especially if you use Miro for both personal and work projects. This helps you avoid changing sharing settings on the wrong board. Next, select your board from the dashboard. Click directly on the board you want to lock down so it opens in the editor. Before you change anything, it is a good habit to confirm you are on the correct board by checking the board title at the top. This is especially helpful if you have boards with similar names. Once your board is open, go to the top right corner and select the Share button. This is where Miro manages who can view, comment, or edit your board, and it is the control center for link sharing. When the sharing panel opens, look for the section that mentions link access, usually shown as Anyone with the link. Now click the drop-down next to Anyone with the link. This drop-down controls what happens if someone gets the board link. In some cases, the link may already be set to allow viewing or commenting, which means the board could be accessible to others if the link is forwarded. From that drop-down, select No Access Private. This setting disables link-based access, so people cannot open the board just because they have the link. If you need to share the board later, you can come back to this same Share menu and adjust the setting or invite specific people, but for now the board remains private. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.